Wingtra introduced 3 major additions to their ecosystem: the WingtraRAY platform and 2 high-performance payloads, Survey61 and Survey24. So let's break down what each product does and why enterprise teams should care. WingtraRAY is their highly efficient vertical takeoff and landing fixed-wing mapping drone designed for aerial surveying. Here's what makes it stand out. It's 40% faster than Wingtra's previous platform, the Wingtra 1 Gen 2. Since it's a VTOL, you can launch and land in tight areas without a runway. Fixed-wing means longer endurance and significantly more coverage per flight than traditional multirotors. The WingtraRAY can finish your survey 10 times faster than a multirotor, covering 250 acres in just 10 minutes. Integrated high-precision PPK for 3cm absolute accuracy, automated mission planning with seamless integration with Wingtra's ecosystem, and finally the ease of flying. Simply follow a checklist and quickly and easily deliver results. For enterprise users, WingtraRAY means more coverage per flight, fewer battery swaps, and higher productivity. 59 minutes of flight time for photogrammetry means you can cover up to 1,360 acres in a single flight. With LiDAR, you get 45 minutes of flight, allowing you to cover up to 1,140 acres. And now for the payloads. Survey61 is Wingtra's flagship high-resolution payload. 61 megapixel full-frame Sony sensor, large pixel size for improved dynamic range and low-noise imagery, so you get very sharp images. Ideal for high-precision photogrammetry and dense point cloud generation. This payload is designed for projects where details are critical: engineering-grade topographical surveys, urban modeling, corridor mapping, and high-value construction verification. For enterprise teams, the new Survey61 means fewer flights for the same level of detail, higher quality orthomosaics, cleaner point clouds, and reduced need to refly your missions. If your deliverables need to withstand scrutiny from engineers or government clients, Survey61 is your performance option. The other payload is Survey24. It's your lighter, more efficient payload option. It has a 24 megapixel sensor, lower data processing times, efficient storage requirements, and reduced operational overhead. It's the practical, scalable solution for teams flying weekly or daily missions. And here's how they fit together. The WingtraRAY gives you the endurance and coverage, Survey61 gives you maximum resolution and technical grade outputs, while the Survey24 gives you efficient, repeatable mapping at scale. Enterprise users can choose the payload based on the deliverable requirements. If your organization depends on accurate geospatial data, this lineup gives you flexibility, efficiency, and survey-grade precision in a single ecosystem. If you'd like customized advice on how the WingtraRAY or Survey61 or 24 can fit into your organization's workflow, email us at experts@dronenerds.com, and thanks for watching.